Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl, testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today I am doing my skincare routine for dry skin. I usually deal with dry skin in the really cold months and the really hot months. So right now it is winter time and I definitely wanted to show y'all what I'm doing to keep my skin hydrated. So let's jump right in. Of course, we want to start off with a clean face. So I'm using the Native Sensitive Skin Facial Cleanser. I'm actually new to this product. I saw it about a week ago shopping in Target, and Native is one of my favorite brands. So I said, let me try it out, and I ended up really liking it. It has niacinamide in it, so it doesn't break down your skin barrier, and it's just a really gentle cleanser. I don't like anything that makes my skin feel stripped. That plays into the hydration for me as well. I do a clarifying routine once a month, so if you guys want to know that routine, let me know in the comments. But on a day-to-day, I don't want my skin to feel stripped. After I'm done cleansing my face, I like to go in with a white washcloth just so I can see if there's anything that was on my skin and make sure that I got everything off. Especially on days where I may have worn makeup, I want to make sure that it's all removed. Now, I don't use this to remove my makeup. I'll remove my makeup before cleansing my face. Now, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. Subscribing helps me tremendously, so I would really appreciate it. And also, I would love to hear what your favorite skincare products are. Now here I am, I don't know why I got all up in your face like this, but here I am just double checking, making sure I got all the soap off from around my hairline and things like that. Next, I like to use my jade roller all over my face. I like to use the jade roller because it stays cool naturally, so you don't have to put it in the refrigerator or anything. I don't know if this helps with hydration at all, but it does help to reduce puffiness and increase blood circulation, which is just good for your skin in general. Now I'm using the Glow Oasis Moisture Milk Hydrating Toner. Toners are helpful just to remove any excess dirt or oil you may have on your skin. So I like to use a toner before applying any products. I like this toner specifically because first of all, it's hydrating and it also doesn't burn my skin, so I don't believe it has any alcohol in it. I've had toners before that burned when I applied them and I really don't like that at all. So I like this toner because it doesn't do that and it's hydrating, so yeah. Now, I don't have one of those fancy fans all the girlies use when they're drying their skin down. So I'm just fanning my face just to dry it a little bit before I apply my next product. I just don't want it too wet when I apply it. So here's my next product. This is my absolute favorite skincare product, y'all. This is the Elemis Kika Calm Hydration Juice. It is a gel for your skin. It is so hydrating. It literally feels like your skin just drank a glass of water. You can feel it. Now, I keep this product on hand at all times, but another option if you're looking for something cheaper, because this product is a little pricey, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. I really do like that product. It doesn't give you that cooling feeling that this one does, but that is an option that is a little less expensive, but it does give similar results. Next, I'm using the Dew of the Gods, the Theory Oat Milk and Retinol Cream. Y'all, would you believe it ran out in the middle of this video, which is so crazy. that I literally ran out of the product while filming. But it is a thick bottle. If you don't know, retinol can be deactivated by sunlight and air, so I guess that's why the bottle is so thick and it's black. So I couldn't tell that it was running out because the bottle feels pretty heavy. But yeah, I was so annoyed because I don't have any more on hand, so I have to order some more. Y'all will see after I apply this product like just how my skin is looking so hydrated. I love this product, especially in combination with the Elemis product. I just feel like they work together so well. This is my go-to combination of products that keep me looking glowy. Now make sure you keep watching because I'm going to show you what I do in the morning, but I specifically do this routine at night because like I said, the retinol can be deactivated by daylight, so retinol is really good to use at nighttime. Now of course we have to use some chapstick, so here I am going in with some Carmex, and then I am off to bed. Now it's the next day, and as you can see, it is a pretty bright day outside, so I'm going to use sunscreen. No, I don't use sunscreen every day. I'm actually pretty new to using sunscreen. I didn't grow up using it, but I know now that the sun can damage anybody's skin, and it definitely contributes to aging quicker and also dryness of your skin, of course, the heat from the sun. Now it is winter, so I typically don't wear sunscreen on days where it's cloudy or if I'm just not going to be outside for any extended amount of time. But I wanted to bring it up for sure because it does make a huge difference in the hydration of your skin. And now I'm just finishing off with the Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. I really like this product because it's not too heavy and it's really good if you want to apply makeup. I didn't apply any makeup on this day, but it does work really well under makeup. And y'all, that is it for my skincare routine. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also share with anyone who may have some dry skin struggles. And like I said, if you want to see my clarifying skin routine, let me know. Peace out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.